Racism hides online. Digital casual racism is shaping your school culture more than assemblies ever will. Today's episode is a confronting and raw reflection of what's happening in schools right now. Recently, an elite WA all-girls school became a flashpoint when Snapchat messages containing deeply racist stereotypes about Indigenous Australians went viral. These were images that were shared online among students. Let's unpack why this matters for our students and for your school. At PLC College, students circulated Snapchat screenshots containing violence and hateful imagery, racial slurs tied to stereotypes and abuse. Nearly 100% of First Nation students surveyed in the ACT reported experiencing racism, not from outside, but from teachers or classmates near them. Casual racism spreads in digital spaces where jokes hide from view but leave deep wounds in the hearts of those on the receiving end. And this is all because, these messages, hurtful messages, they're not moderated. There's no teacher who's in the loop to be able to interrupt it. And victims are isolated, but the content spreads fast. You see, when racism is silenced, it becomes an invisible oppression. Here's how schools can act beyond discipline, disappointment, or even outrage. Number one, digital responsibility first. You see, students need digital citizenship taught with culture, respect, and consequences. You see, public shaming isn't enough. Rather, peer-led conversations are much stronger. Number two, safe reporting mechanisms. You see, anonymous portals where students can report hateful messages safely and receive support. This isn't just about discipline, but rather it's counseling and provides dialogue. Number three is privilege awareness training. Based on the research, it shows that we ought to be teaching our students that privilege doesn't excuse harmful jokes, but rather it magnifies the responsibility to speak up. These are what all of us, the role that we can play in providing a safer community for everyone involved. I mean, can you imagine an app that flags racist content before it spreads? Can you imagine classrooms where students call out stereotypes gently, not necessarily publicly? Can you imagine a school where privilege teaches empathy and not oppression? That's where we need to go as a society. That's where we need to go in Australia within the education system. Casual racism, especially the digital version, is quiet, but man, it is deadly. You see, I can help your school preempt it, not just react to it. And this is done through my Up Standards program and my Keynote and I Belong workshops as well. And these programs cover digital safe zones. They cover inclusive peer dialogue methods. They provide strategic staff PD sessions to identify and be able to respond as well. And this is something that for so many years now I've been doing, very, very passionate about that. Why? Because I had the lived experience of someone who's been on the receiving end of hateful words and racist comments. Let's shield our students. You see, I believe that together we can build school communities that are respectful, school communities that every single person, no matter their background, their accent, where they come from, or their postcode, can feel safe and they belong and can feel respected.